each of the following is less than 2 except, so here we can see all of these fractions are improper fractions. And it is hard to tell which one is more than 2 or which one is less than 2. So the easier way to know which one is less than 2 or which one is greater than 2 is changing these fractions into mixed numbers. So for example, let's do 8. 15 over 8. Now, when you see this, it is the same as 15 divided by 8. So what we're going to do is 15 divided by 8. So 15 divided by 8 will give us 1 and 8. And to change a mixed number from this thing we did, it is equal to 1 and 8 over 8. Now, if you just take a look at 8 over 8, it is equal to 1. Because everything, for example, 1000 over 1000 is still 1. And for example, 982 over 982 is also 1. So if it is 1, so that means 1 plus 1, then that gives us 2. Now, as you can see, it is 2, but it is asking for greater than 2 because it says all of the following is less than 2. So we want to know which one is greater than 2. And this is just equal. This is just equal to 2. It's not greater than 2 or it is not like less than 2. So this one can be eliminated. Now B. 45 divided by 22. Now that gives us 2 because 22 times 2 gives us 44, and 44 is less than 45. Now we minus them, that gives us 1. So 2 and 1 over 22. As you can see, we've already calculated the answer because this is greater than 2. 2 and 1 over 22 is greater than 2. Now, we can keep on going on like this. But in the exam, if we already calculated the answer already and you are very sure that you are correct, then we don't need to move on. But in this case, I'm going to move on. So for C, 99 divided by 50. Now that gives us 1. Because if it's 2, it gives us 100. So now that gives us 49. So 1 and 49 over 50. It is very, very close to 2. But because it is 1 and 49 over 50, C can be eliminated. Now D, 180 divided by 100. Now that gives us 1 again. And that leaves a remainder of 80. And if we change that improper fraction to a mixed number, this gives us 80 and 100. Here we can cancel out the zeros. And we can also make this into 4 over 5 because we're simplifying. So that gives us 1 and 4 over 5. So this one is also eliminated because it is less than 2. So B is the correct answer. Also, when we're calculating an improper fraction and we want to convert them into mixed number, please, please, please do not use a calculator. Because if you use a calculator, the answer will give you a decimal thing. So do not use a calculator.